Before the light touches the world, just pause and feel how it first awakens. Within you, close your eyes now and sense that quiet shimmer beneath your breath. You don't need to search for it. It's already there, glowing softly, patiently waiting for your attention. You are not chasing the light this morning. You are remembering that you are the light. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let the breath soften the edges of your awareness. Again, inhale gently as if you're drawing in light itself. Feel it travel through your chest, your ribs expanding softly, your heart opening to receive. Each breath is a bridge connecting the outer world to the quiet glow within. Breathe in. Notice the air is cool. Breathe out. Feel it leave warm against your lips. That warmth is life moving through you, proof that the light within you is real, moving, pulsing, constant. Now, let your breathing slow naturally. Don't force it, just follow the rhythm as it finds its own peaceful pace. With each inhale, the morning settles inside you. With each exhale, the noise of yesterday gently fades away. You are not trying to control the breath, you're simply allowing it to breathe you. This is where your inner light begins to rise. Now, let your body soften. Feel the weight of your shoulders begin to melt as if sunlight were gently pouring down through them. Let that warmth travel slowly through your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Notice your face softening, the small muscles around your eyes, your jaw unclenching, your tongue resting gently behind your teeth. Allow your spine to lengthen, your chest open, and your breath flow freely through the center of your being. With every exhale, feel the tension leaving, like mist dissolving in the morning air. With every inhale, invite light to fill the spaces that were once tight or tired. From your heart to your belly, from your hips to your toes, let this golden calm spread like ripples on still water. You don't need to try to relax. You only need to allow it. Right now, your whole body is glowing quietly, as if it remembers how peace feels soft, alive, complete. Imagine now a soft, golden glow resting at the center of your chest. It pulses gently like the heartbeat of morning itself. With each breath in, the light expands a little brighter, a little warmer. With each breath out, it softens, spreading through your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands. You can feel it moving through your entire body, a slow, gentle wave of warmth and calm. Now picture this light radiating beyond you, filling the space around your body, then the room, then the horizon. Beyond your closed eyes, you are surrounded by golden morning, alive, awake, loving. In this glow, you begin to remember the people you care about, the small joys that meet you each day, the sound of laughter, the touch of sunlight, the quiet moments that hold you. Let your heart whisper a silent thank you, not as words but as feeling, a warmth that says, I am grateful for this breath, for this light, for simply being here. And as the light continues to shine, you realize gratitude isn't something you give. It's something you become, and let that golden light stay with you, quiet, steady, alive. Let this inner light speak for you through gentle words that remind you who you truly are. Repeat them softly in your mind, or let them flow quietly with your breath. I am light. I am peace. I am open to the beauty of this day. I move gently and shine naturally. My calm is my strength. My presence is my power. Let these words sink deeper, not as thoughts to remember, but as energy to live from. Feel each phrase echo softly in your chest, moving with the rhythm of your heartbeat. Breathe in, receive light. Breathe out, share it. You are glowing from the inside out, and everything around you responds to that calm, steady radiance. This is what it feels like to live in harmony. Continue your journey with Stillness Meditation Space. Stay here for a few more breaths, letting that quiet glow remain. You are whole. You are ready. Take one last, slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your whole being settle gently into peace. Notice how your breath has softened, how your mind has quieted, and how the light within you still shines calm, steady, alive. You've given yourself this moment of stillness, and now it moves with you in your words, in your choices, in the quiet way you meet this day. The world will always have noise, but you've remembered the quiet beneath it. Whenever you need to return, simply breathe and feel the light inside you rise again. Carry this calm presence into your morning. Let it color everything you touch: your work, your conversations, your smile. And when you're ready to deepen this peace, continue your journey with the next morning meditation. Stillness Meditation Space.